Alright guys, it's Eric with the Hot Box Pizza Truck. There's Art, just got back from a 3-hour adventure. We didn't want to tell you guys, but Art scored. 71-inch prep table, 2-door little glass beverage cooler refrigerator here. What else did we get? We got a hand wash sink, and then just some miscellaneous, all the plastic containers that go inside the prep table, which is awesome, and some other little things here.
I just want to say thank you in this video for now. Just little things.
This guy was crying. Paulie Walnuts, of course, didn't come through for his refrigerator like I told him. So I said, look, I sent him a used one, and that got him motivated to look again. And then he found this. So
I found Melissa and Nick. Thank you so much, guys.
So he makes a trip out there on Friday.
Yeah, Friday morning.
Friday. Bought the refrigerator. The lady sent him a message later and said, well, how about for this price, the refrigerator and the stand-up cooler?
And the sign.
And the sign. So originally the prep table was $2,200 they were asking. He got everything for $2,500. So now we got to get the window out of the truck. What are you doing here anyway? I got company over, so yeah, it's my Sunday off, and I got company here. So you can't even see the truck behind the bamboo. So we're gonna get the window out of the truck real quick. And I've got like a drop off in the front of my house off the edge of the road where I think we can put the truck and then back the trailer up, and we'll be kind of close to the height of the window. And we'll get some video. We're gonna manhandle this thing in there. I'm gonna see if I can get some help over here. So we'll see you guys in a few. First time she's moved in how many months?
3 months at least. Jerry is moving. Jerry is moving, guys.
Okay, go watch that oven.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna talk to you later. For now, I need to watch the oven.
Make sure she ain't going. Shlomo's Pizza.
Shlomo's Pizza coming to town. It's all moving, guys.
Okay.
All right, we'll see you later when we leave the stuff.
We'll show you guys our plan.
Yep. Here, bring it like at this angle, and then you're gonna get in. Just hold it the way we hold it. We're gonna go back, and we leave the back. So we're gonna do like a little.
Here's what we got going on. We're trying to use this ditch in my front yard to our advantage. Built some little ramps.
Feel like Johnny Knoxville here.
Jamie's in the mix. See, we got it sitting sideways. All right, we got to come up with a plan here. I guess we're gonna get down here and try to lift this refrigerator and see how heavy it is. Because if we can get one side over, easy. All right, we'll be back. All right, I think we're gonna lift it up, get the front over, and then see. I don't know.
Hopefully nobody gonna end up in the hospital. Kids, don't try it at home.
Okay, you ready?
Oh yeah.
Keep going a little more.
I think me and you need to go in.
A little more. All right. Okay. You gonna be okay?
Yeah.
Is it down?
Yeah.
All right, we're going in. There we go.
And then I'm gonna run out as soon as we got some.
Hey guys. up and down. Oh yeah. Bring our end down.
Alright, room's in.
Alright, let's get down. Alright, we're on the wheels. You go run around now.
I got it. That side's not too bad.
Oh, okay. We're good. Hold on. Alright. Ah, we're in. We're in. So now we got room to turn it? Yeah.
Yeah, we got more than enough room.
Let's go this way. Oh.
Going the other room?
Yeah. Yeah, come on. Check this out. Lock the wheels. Woo!
I would give him a kiss if there was no camera right now.
We got a vacuum our thing up. Woo!
Yeah, I don't know if it was the hard part or the easy part.
That wasn't bad at all.
The other one is lighter because I was moving it like easy.
We got one more fridge to do. Woo! I guess it is easier to go through there than the doors because of these seat posts. Cool. Let's do it. Let's just keep moving here. Rock and roll. Let's turn it though so that way the back end goes in.
Yeah, the black.
So we don't. Let me get in because I actually want to lift it, so we try not to set it on anything. Here, Art, put that blanket over the edge of the truck, would you? Perfect. And bring her in my way. Just lean her just like that. Lean it just like that.
Start?
Yeah. You guys lift up your end.
Okay, we're gonna leave it for now. Now I'm gonna climb in.
Yep.
I'm sorry. You want? You wanted to go underneath?
Yeah, go ahead. And let's actually set it down right there, and then we'll. Actually, it don't matter. We can pivot it wherever. Let's just get it in. All right.
Okay.
All right. All right. Set it down.
Good.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Good thing we did this piece of aluminum the other day.
You grab those.
There it is. Got room? Perfect. And this is still going to go back a little bit. We're rolling. Whew, that's a wrap.
Guys, like and subscribe. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Dave?
Jamie.
Jamie. So now we're going to move the truck back around, pop the window back in, and eventually we'll frame it all out and just keep trucking along on this deal. Woo! Look at that.
I'm I'm glad there was no cursing in the family video. Is there one Pepsi?
There we go.
Okay. I did push it, but it didn't look like nobody was.
Oh, Howard saw. Got your fingers out? Yeah. Okay. That's it. I'll go in and put a screw in to hold it. Lift up one. That'll go. Like a glove. Whew.
All right, that's a wrap.
It's a wrap? Okay.
Yep.